you do it, the boys got you, Daddy Dom.
Holy shit.
Elias Davis donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Come on, Daddy Dom.
Let me move my heater out the way.
Zidal donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Alacabra. Boa donated $2 through Super Chat. Do it for the content.
Fuck. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever been nervous in my fucking life. Oh, fuck. Alright. Come on, bro. Why are you being a pussy? Oh my god, you're being such a pussy. Alright. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Dude, I have not been this nervous since I did a backflip at that gun range. Bro, no money will help me do it, bro. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't know who my dad is, nigga. You don't know my dad. That's the problem. I wish you guys knew my dad. It would stop you from doing a lot of things. Put a towel over it? I could do that. That's a flammable, though. But it'd be less sound.
Louis Serbin donated $14.99 through Super Chat. Will this money help you do it, Daddy?
That's true. Cops could be called too. Which, that point, I'm fucked. See, you guys, you see it on recording.
$2 through Super Chat. Do it for me, Pappy. Polo O donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Come on, do it for me, Daddy. Damon Robin donated $1.99 through Super Chat. You acting like a P.
Bro, it's not about the viewers either. Y'all niggas think it's about the views, bro. It's not. It's
Gaming
not.
Life donated $2 through Super Chat. Cut the stick, light it, put it in the water bottle.
Stick light, put it in the water bottle. You could cut this stick light? Can I cut this shit? Bro, let me see what happens when I do it in a fucking... Do you hold the stick light?
Love Cloudy donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Cut the stick and put it in the bottle.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. I'll do that. I promise you I'll do that. I need to see what it sounds like. If it's too loud, we're done. We're not doing that shit.
Sharon Taylor donated $2.99 through Super Chat. Don't do it. Daniel Curtis donated $1.99 through Super Chat. It is New Year's. Come on Dom. Do it for 2021.
Can you even cut this shit? How the fuck am I supposed to put this in here?
Gavin Oley donated $2.79 through Super Chat. Do it, Nika.
Light then drop it. That shit's gonna spark in my fucking hand. What do you mean light then drop it, nigga? Dude, that shit's gonna hit my hand. Are you dumb? Nigga, and then I gotta... Bro. Yo, y'all niggas don't think shit through, dude. I gotta put this in here, then tie the fucking bottle. Alright, yeah. Hold on. Let's get a new one. Let's get a new one. I have another one. I fucked up on that one. I have over 100 of them, by the way. So I can hold it up, right? Light it up and just put it in here. But that bitch will go through the bottle. A wet towel.
HBK Jacob donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Do it for the boys. Evan donated $2 through Super Chat. If it explodes in the bottle it will be louder.
Dude, what do I do? I'm trying to figure out...
Robin donated $4.99
Holy fuck, dude, what do I do?
through Super Chat. You're acting like a real girl right now. Lost a lot of respect for you.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. I don't give a fuck if you lost respect for me. Your mom didn't lose respect for me. Your mom didn't lose respect for me, bitch!
Cents through Super Chat. Can I have a kiss, daddy?
Put gloves on it.
X.Tinction. Donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Nika, you do it and you'll be donzo.
Nigga said, nigga, you do it and you'll be donzo. Dude, stop saying I'm acting like a girl, because first of all, none of y'all niggas would do this shit. I don't give a fuck what you're saying. Stop saying it's about views. I thought of an idea, and I do want to do it. But, dude, out the window.
Louis Serbin donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Don't even tie the cap fully, just put it on top.
It's gonna be a louder sound though. Niggas is saying it's gonna be a louder sound. I just want to know. I need to know facts before I do it.
Diamond Robin donated.
All right, hold on. Let me turn off super chat because y'all niggas is fucking
super chat.
Annoying.
Why
now.
are you acting like a girl?
Get out of my ear, dude. Talking about some acting like a girl, nigga. All right, now that shit's off, bro. You get out of my fucking ear. Dude, the chat's going too fast. I can't even read it. I can't read the fucking chat, dude.
Skate has donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Do it, but don't close the bottle. I did it before.
Alright, don't close the bottle. Got you. I got a towel, so. Alright. Bro, come on, nigga. Damn. Fuck. Fucking stupid ass keyboard. Oh, fuck. Aim that bitch? Should I just aim it at the fucking towel? Nigga, how the fuck am I supposed to put a towel over it? What are y'all saying? Oh my god, you guys are confusing the fuck out of me now.
Skate has donated $1.
Why is this shit still in my ear?
Super chat.
Fuck, get out of my
Can I
ear.
get a mod since I'm always donating?
Dude, I'll give you a mod in a little bit. Dude, why is that shit still in my ear? Hold on, let me just remove the fucking donation thing real quick. I'm removing it for right now. I'm not trying to hear that, bro. Oh, fuck. Shoot it, then drop the towel in it. Shoot it, then drop. Okay. Okay. Let me take my headphones off. Shoot it, then drop the towel. Shoot it, then drop the towel in it. Alright. Be like this? Nah, I can't hold it like that. What, nigga? What sense is that? Bro, I only have two hands. Bro, what? I only have two hands. Boom. Boom. What the fuck kind of knowledge? That shit makes no sense, bitch. Oh, shit. Use a beer bottle? Dude, okay. So if I do it this close up, that's dumb as fuck on me. If I do it this close. Like, right here, because my fucking nigga. My towel will go on fire, and then I'll go on fire. That's just dumb as fuck. Straight up light it right here, and then just... bro, that's impossible, nigga. Put a rice pot over it? Alright, y'all ODing, bro. Oh, God. shit was loud as fuck. Damn, bitch. This smell like shit. Damn, what the fuck, nigga? Oh, shit. That bitch was louder than a motherfucker. Holy shit. Fuck me in my ass. Damn, nigga. The fuck? Bitch, I did that shit. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Stop calling me a pussy, nigga. Give me my pride back, bitch. Fuck. That shit fucking made me go deaf, nigga. Fuck. Holy fuck. Smells like hot ass in here. Hot Corcus. I am... Holy fuck. Damn, that candle was loud as fuck. I don't know why that candle made that sound. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. One more time? Fuck you, nigga. Eat a dick. Bitch, I got away with that one. Fuck no. And it's about smoky. Bro, my ear is ringing right now, dude. On God, my ear is ringing. Holy fucking shit, dude. I'm sorry it took me that long. I'm literally sorry. Oh, fuck, dude. That shit. Nigga, look at the bottle. That shit looks like a cum stain. Look at that shit. The fuck? Ugh. That shit stinks. Guys, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing that shit again. Sorry. I did it once, alright? I'm not doing it again. You have to catch me on another day. Fuck no, nigga. What? That shit just left a big-ass poo-poo mark on my fucking floor. Dude, y'all can screen record that, do whatever that shit, bitch. I am not doing that shit again. Fuck, nigga said 5 more. Fuck you. Holy shit, that shit fucking hurt my ears. Nigga, my ears ringing. The candle? I blew it out. It stinks, though. Bitch, I need Febreze. Fucking stinks in this motherfucker. Dude, there's a big ass fucking hole in my floor, nigga. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck it, dude. I did it, bro. Yo, thank you guys. Whoever gave me the words of encouragement to do that shit, thank you. Thank you. I am no longer a pussy. Holy shit, nigga. Oh my god, that shit scared the fuck out of me, dude. Dude, you don't understand, bro. Huh?
They made a gift out of it already.
No way. What the fuck? I'm fucking dead. Nigga. Nigga turned off my light quick as fuck. Bitch, I hopped in that. Oh shit. I hopped in that bitch quick as fuck. You hear how loud that shit is? Nigga, what? Nigga, that shit loud as fuck. Dude, somebody send me that shit, dude. That is fucking memories. Fuck. Bitch, I jumped in the motherfucking bed. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga, I acted like I was sleeping. Oh my god. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. For round 2, we're gonna do it another day. I can't do it right now because it's already that noise was way too loud, dude. Shit fucking makes my ears ring. So what I'm gonna do is, dude, I'm gonna wait. Okay, we're not gonna do it now. But I got y'all boys. I promise. That's a promise. If we can hit 100K in this month, if we hit 100K this month, this is a promise. This is a promise, okay? I will light up 4 of them bitches once at a time in my room. I just gotta get earmuffs because that shit was loud as fuck. But I will light up them 4 at a time. Once I hit 100K, right when I hit 100K, I'll light 4 of them bitches in my room. On God. All at once.
Oh, keep that, nigga. Keep that promise, my nigga.
Nah, I'm gonna keep that promise. Bitch, I'm not doing that shit right now. My ears are ringing. Dead ass. Like, I'm so dead ass. That shit is loud, dude. Fuck, dude. Oh my God, dude. I don't give a fuck what none of y'all gotta say. For the people that told me to do it, and for the people that call me a pussy, fuck you, nigga. Fuck you. Like, bruh, you don't understand how much, like, Oh my god, dude. You don't understand how much fucking... I don't even know the word for it, nigga. I had no faith in myself. Bitch, I lost faith in humanity. Fuck is you talking about? It stinks in here, too. Browser source. Let me put this shit back on. He said, Dom, I lost all respect for you. Fuck you, nigga. And your respect, bitch. The fuck I look like? Gay Whoopty remix? Bro,
you should put it.
Gay Whoopty remix. Fuck no. Hold on, let me throw... Dude, I don't even want to go out of my living room, because if my dad hears that door open, he's going to know I was up to some fuck shit. Yo, my nigga just donated 50! He said, I've been looking for you on Amigo for a minute. Just the chat will say what's up. Light a firecracker in your dad's room next. Yo! Yeah, you're dumb as fuck. That will never happen. Promise you that will never happen. Oh. Nigga, I will get kicked out. Yeah, I don't think you understand. My dad will kick me out, and then I will have nowhere to stream. I will be living in... I'll be homeless. Dead ass. That is dumb as fuck. I respect my dad's property. You feel me? And I don't know if you're up to your word for paying for damages.
Big Titty donated $3.99 through Super Chat.
This nigga.
Dom, that was crazy, so here's some money, dog.
Appreciate it, bro. Yo, my bad it took me so long to do it. Y'all don't... I just wish I knew who my dad was, nigga. That's the only... That was what's stopping me, bro.
Donated $50
my dad, nigga.
Chat. I've been looking for you on Omegle for a minute.
Still fucking smells like hot ass and Santa Claus's titties up in this bitch, nigga.
Heart.
Bro, y'all seen that flash? Like, nigga, that shit was loud.
Next Lamo will pay for the damages. Smiley fake.
The fuck? Bro, I like how I flinched, nigga. That shit exploded my little floor. My floor got raped, nigga. Holy shit. Fuck me. Dude, fucking A. Gay song? Alright, bro, we'll make a gay whoopty. I got you. Dude, I'm still shook. I don't think you understand. I'm fucking shook right now. Like a bitch. Oh my god.
Your dad just waiting for you to walk out.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro, he's probably right outside that door right now just waiting for me to say some shit about a fucking firework. Firework! Nah, the only reason I know he probably wouldn't have tripped, or like why he's probably not in my room right now, is because he sleeps like a fucking baby, first of all. Second of all, it's New Year's, so that's a good reason why I did do it. Because if he heard that, he's probably like, oh, it's just probably fireworks. You should do it on Omegle. Dom, your wall... No, my wall has a hole. You guys want to see it?
Through Super Chat.
Bitch, you guys want to see that shit?
Start beating me if I did that.
Hold on. Y'all niggas thought I was capping. Hold on, what the fuck? Hold on, give me 1 sec. Hold on, bro. I don't know if I can show it. That bitch really fucking behind you? Cab. Ooh, cab, nigga. You don't see that bitch? I know you see that bitch. It was a little hole. Now that bitch bigger, bruh. Fuck you talking about? Nigga. It's a butthole. It's a fucking butthole. Hold on, bruh. Roll the clip back, bruh. Just so y'all niggas can see, bruh. Thought I was cap. I gotta pee, nigga. I don't even want to go out to the bathroom. Y'all see that little hole right there, right? That bitch ain't a little hole no more, bruh. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga, that's a big booty hole. Y'all can't see it, but that bitch big, nigga. Your dad's behind you? Fuck you talking about? No, he ain't, bitch. Don't lie to me. Fuck you. Bro, thank God. Dude, thank God. Dude, I'm literally thanking God nothing went on fire. That's what I'm thankful for. Holy shit.
It was like one of them firecrackers. Them shits wasn't gonna make nothing to catch on fire anyway.
Yeah, you don't know that, nigga. What? Bro, but if I light up 4 of them bitches, I swear to God, on my mother, I'm gonna keep this stream public so y'all could just screen record it. You did it. So now the boys needs to give you a sloppy toppy. Yeah, bro. Everybody join public room to fucking give me the sloppy toppy. I better hear all y'all niggas moaning in my ear because I did that shit. All right? Fuck is you talking about? I need everybody in this bitch joining right now in my fucking ear moaning. There we go. Holy fucking shit. Damn, nigga. Damn, that shit was hell, man. What the fuck? Alright, bet. Oh, fuck, dude. Alright, bet. I'm gonna make a fucking gay remix to Whoopty. I got y'all. I gotta go to the bathroom. Give me 1 sec, y'all. I gotta go to the fucking bathroom. Like, my bladder is about to fucking explode. Dude, I am nervous to go out there. My dad, oh, bro, he's gonna be like, what the fuck was that sound, my nigga? He gonna whoop that ass. Hold on, stream. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, that's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. My nigga, fuck are you talking about? Whoopty. Bitch, I'm outside of the movie.